Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on Binance. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. And firstly, make sure your Binance app is updated and also your Binance app is verified, so you'll be able to carry out transaction on Binance. Without it being verified, you can withdraw, transfer or deposit on Binance. And for you to sell your crypto on Binance, you have to go over to the search button to search the particular crypto you wish to sell. And over at the home page here, you can see the list here, you can see favorites here, you can see hot, gainer, losers and new listing, and there are many more, and market cap here. So let me go over here to the search area. So let me search in the crypto that I want to sell. For example, let me go over to search tone, and this tone, and you have to go over to tone/USDT. Let me go over to it. This is the chart and it's reading, and you can fix it in a particular time which you want, on minutes, whatever one you want, you can fix it over at this side. So this is the chart for 1 hour ago. You can see the rise and falling of the tone of the crypto. And for you to sell, you have to go over to sell, and you can see it over here. Let me go over to sell. And also here, it have to be on the limit. Some may put it on the market price. Whichever one you want to do, you can do it. And here you have to enter the amount of crypto you wish to. We're going to see the amounts here on USDT, which is over here. You can also put the fixed price there by showing this. You can also do it like that, and when you are done with that, you can go over to sell crypto. And so when you tap over to the sell tone, you're able to sell your tone. It will be converted to USDT when you are done selling it. And for you to know where your USDT is, you just have to go over to wallet, which is here. You can see wallet at the down at the right corner. So let me go over to wallet, and at this side you'll be able to find your USDT. So guys, this is how you'll be able to sell your crypto on Binance. You can use whatever crypto you want, either is BTC, Sol, which is Solana, Ethereum, whatever one you use. By using this method, which I just did now, I used done. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.